Want to know what's heating up in theaters this weekend?
Optimus Prime. Do you seek redemption?
Not even Optimus Prime can be trusted in the war for Earth in Transformers: The Last Night.
This here is the Bad Batch.
The future is brutal and the cannibals are hungry in the indie sci-fi romance, The Bad Batch.
Costs a lot to be here. Costs you an arm and a leg.
Is he dead?
No. Get him inside.
An all-girls school is turned upside down when a wounded Civil War soldier arrives at their doorstep in The Beguiled.
Oh, what have you done to me?
See what's hot in theaters with this week's Fanticipation. So what's your weekend ticket going to be? Let us know by commenting. See you next time on Weekend Ticket.